Kendra Brooke, I've been waiting for this moment my whole life. To be standing across from the person whom I love and cherish with my whole being. To be loved as much as I love them, and to feel this feeling I still can't put into words.
I knew since the day I met you that you were going to be something special to me. You are a million feelings in one single feeling.
I'm standing here completely and totally in awe. I didn't know life could be this good until I met you.
The day I asked you to marry me is a vision and a feeling that I will never forget. I knew that I wanted to spend this life with you, that I couldn't see a time without you in it.
Stop! Phoebe, what the heck? Oh my gosh, it looks so good!
Yours is pretty. That's nice. Oh, it's so pretty, baby. I'll cry right now. Since getting engaged, we have said this little thing. I want to marry you tomorrow.
They say to choose wisely because it's a long journey, and I think I did just that. You are the best part of my day every day, the most sacred thing in my life, my once-in-a-lifetime person, and more than a soulmate.
I love you, Kendra Brooke, and I couldn't imagine life without you.
With every part of me, I want this with you forever. And when the earth is no more, I will find you somewhere between the sun and the moon.